Welcome to Buck Shop. Merry Christmas to all my friends and family. Best of the new year to you. We're in the shop here now. And we're working on a little project. The project here is on the mill. Right here, this is a ratchet strap tie down for a transport truck. My buddy wants to incorporate this into a car hauler tie down. And what happened was this bore here was worn out about a quarter of it. No, don't get that close, Margie.
Oh yeah, it's still looking clear.
I had to build this up with weld, and I'm machining it down with this boring tool. I've got my dial indicator hooked up here, and every time I turn this in, use this little Allen key here, and turn this in, it registers thousandths of an inch. So you can get it pretty precise. So, I've got this board to size now, and I could buy this for 70 bucks. But, not the point. Let's have some fun. I'm learning how to use my milling machine. I'm having a great time on it. I've never had one, never even operated one. But this came from Pomona, California for a tune of $3,000 for delivery. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm having lots of fun. Anyway, I'll show you the parts that fit into it. We're going to go over here. These are the two parts that fit into it. I had to cut them apart to get that apart, so I'll be ending up chamfering this and welding and chamfering this and welding these back together. But these fit in the bores on both sides of that piece there, and I had to weld them all up because these were all worn out in here, and turn them down the lathe. This one didn't turn out that good. It's too much chatter. I couldn't hold this properly in the lathe. But it's close enough for what we need here. Anyway. So, I'm also working on a smoker for my buddy. Let's have a look at this smoker here. Here's the firebox. Here's the cooking chamber.
Hang on, I'm still filming the firebox.
Oh, you're still filming the fire. Good enough. Okay, Margie, you're doing a hell of a job with the camera, bud. Hey, don't get too close to them welds. They're not that pretty in there.
Okay.
Here's a pretty weld. Let's look at this one. That's a nice weld. MIG. Yeah. Don't get that close, Marge. Here's the firebox. We welded all the firebox all inside here. All around both end caps. Because if you don't weld the end caps, it will crack. You cannot just weld the outside, so I've been told. I'm learning as I go here. Here's the grate. Back up, Margie, back up. Here's the grate. This is a reverse flow. The air flows in, the firebox, comes underneath this plate, folds up here, and comes back out to here where we're going to put the chimney. We're going to have the chimney right in here. There's a real science involved in this from what I'm getting here now. But the door closes deluxe. I had a problem with the door right in here, getting it to close properly. But we've got these tie downs here. Back up, Marge.
I got them.
And these work excellent. They tighten that right up good. These are like $7 a piece, and they work like deluxe. This smoker, according to my buddy, is going to be worth about 12 or 15 grand once it's done. He's going to have stainless steel poles.
It's going to cost him 10 to 12 grand to make the damn thing.
All I've got out of this is a 40-pounder and a whole bunch of sausages that he smoked.
No, and you got a 250 bucks.
Oh, yeah, he gave me 250 bucks for it.
And sausages that made us have heartburn.
And diarrhea.
Oh, show the handle and the hinges.
Here's
Oh,
the handle.
I'm too short. I can't.
Here's the handle that stops the door. Bent that up in my little bender, welded it on. I guess I better put a weld there, but it's still not going to film service because.
Okay, and here's the hinges.
Yeah, the hinges. Yeah, the hinges.
Yeah. I'm too short to actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Had a third hinge on, but it wouldn't open. The door wouldn't open because it's crowned up here. It's too high here. It's lower on each end. So I'd take that hinge off, but it does open and close good now.
And when's the trailer going to be attached?
Oh, there's got to be a trailer built with this now. And there's 4 stainless bowls going on it for sinks and fresh water and all kinds of shit. And he's going to have, well, he figures it's 12 or 15 grand, but, well, it's going to cost him 20 grand by the time he's finished with me. No, I don't think so. He's cheap, this guy. All he gives me is sausage and booze. He bought me, no, he didn't even buy me a 40-pounder, the prick.
No, he
said
bought you a
was gonna.
pizza
Oh, yeah, he paid
that made
for it.
us both sick.
Yeah, we had diarrhea from that pizza too. Unbelievable. Lots of diarrhea going on lately.
Okay.
Sausage. So anyway, what else can we say? Well, we're having lots of fun in the shop here. Between the new milling machine and, well, the old welding stuff. We got a little bit of this on the go, a little bit of that on the go, and we're having fun.
Okay.
So Merry
Signing off.
Christmas again to everybody. Happy New Year. Thanks, Marge, for doing the camera work. Excellent job, bud.
Well, you haven't seen it yet, so.
That'll be all right.
Okay.
Over and out.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Push the button, okay. Oh, I don't know. Didn't you?
What's
Oh,
that green light on the back for?
that's the camera light.
So